happy or shit?
Cause I'm not taking a photo. It's a look. You see yourself? Hi everybody, welcome to another video.
I'm tired.
Oh my God, no! This is my main backbone, my only backbone. You know what I'm saying? She do everything. I don't know what I'll do without her. You know what I'm saying? So y'all have a special individual, your mother, your dad, your grandpa, grandma, your girlfriend, boyfriend. Always remember that y'all take care of them, cherish them, because you know they, you know, it's what's up.
It's what's up.
But anyways, we're just here doing something really special. We're gonna see exactly what we're gonna do later. But we're at the bank right now, as y'all can see. But we just about to do handle some business right now, and then when we get done, we'll hit y'all back with another update. All right, so stay tuned. All right, people. As you can tell by the title, we are about to go get something special. It's been a journey, and I can say I've been very impatient, but also so excited because, you know, I'm like growing up, and I know that stuff in my life. How can I put this? Like in life, you will be blessed with opportunities, and when the opportunity comes, you gotta answer. And you know, when you have a chance to do something in life, do it. I want to thank my mom so much. Thank you, Mom, for her undying love and just her dedication to us. You know, because you know, my mom will break her back for us. You know, it's crazy because a lot of parents don't do that. So I'm thankful. So now we're gonna go and pick up the thing, and then I'll see y'all when I get it. I even got what I ordered, you know, so what I got some packages coming for my new little toy. Can't wait to get those.
What's this truck behind?
Can't wait to get it. Yo, man, but we currently at the place to pick up my new toy, you know what I'm saying? Sheesh, y'all boys, I got something nice, you know what I'm saying? I like it. Can't wait to drive it. Can't wait to be safe in it and make some moves. But this thing here is a beast. I'm finna go on home, and I'll show y'all what it is when I get to the house, man. So if y'all new to the channel, I need y'all to like this video, please, bro. You see these little social media icons right here? Follow me on all platforms. Do it right now, cause y'all don't follow me on TikTok, y'all don't follow me on Instagram, and if y'all definitely don't follow me on YouTube, you're missing out. Okay, you are legit missing out. So if you don't want to miss out on banger videos, banger content, and just choosing himself, you know what I'm saying, don't follow. But if you messing with me, if you like what you see, if you like what you know, witnessing, hit that subscribe button, share it for me too. All right. Well, yeah, that was gonna be that way they gonna be. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, I'll see y'all in a little bit. We gonna get some gas and we'll be at the highs. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know what? I'm gonna give y'all a sample. Ooh. What's good? I am finally in my vehicle, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to set the camera up so we can get a nice little vision, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, this is low-key nice. I'm not gonna even hold you. Let's see. Set y'all up right there so it's not, you know. Yeah, man, this is my new toy, you feel me? Trying to set my seat up and everything so I can adjust it. I'm just so excited. I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed. I'm so happy. Thankful for my mom for making this possible. I thank God for this opportunity. Just every day is a blessing. And, you know, what I'm saying? I ain't sliding no slider. Your boy riding in a bang 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 bang. Bang, bang, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and vlog this real quick. We do need some gas because we gonna eat right now. I'm trying to get adjusted to everything. Get real comfortable with it, you feel me? Like that, the right way. The right way? So, but yeah, man. I'll see y'all when I go and get some gas, and then we'll go that way. Alright, so y'all boys stay tuned. Man, it's blowing real cold in this thing. Nice and cold. So I can hear me, I don't want it to be too loud. Yeah. We chilling out here, man. Let's see the radio. Let's turn this to FM 1.0. Copyrighted, but I'm trying to turn this thing to the nearest thing.
I feel so rich and
Got it. So now we have our stereo set to the time that we're going to do that. I'm going to set everything up. We're going to watch this thing. We're going to detail everything. But for right now, we're going to get up out of here. We got to go.
It's so loud. It sounds like a big truck.
That's what it is. It's a 3/4 ton and out the 520.
It's big. Am I linking it?
All right.
I ain't gonna balance do it. I'm gonna keep it slow because it's not like a bus.
I used to be like you one time now, don't
I know, man. I like it, man. Hey.
try to take it easy.
Now look, I ain't got no gas. I'm about to go.
Yeah, so listen, take care, eh? All right, so
All right, Miss Charlie. Come you.
I'm gonna come out.
We finna get up out of here because your boy needs some gas. So, luckily with Fords, cause this is a Ford, of course. Fords, they don't take a lot. Like when they're about to run out of gas, they have a reservoir that lasts a little bit longer, so you could run. Like when your tank says E, it don't really be on E because that's an extra tank in there.
What? Oh no. No.
That's a first. Dang, I just hella dropped this camera. I'm gonna see y'all later. I gotta fix this. Bye.
The next day.
What's good to everybody, man? It's the second day. Turn this hat around. But yeah, man, it's the second day we out here again with the special toy I had bought. You know what I'm saying? We finna get y'all a little sample of what it is, man. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to have what I have, man. Not a lot of kids my age can say they do stuff like this, but I was able to buy my first truck thanks to my mom and all that good stuff. So yeah, you know, I'm finna show y'all the interior and all that good stuff. Y'all can see exactly what I'm working with. This is my truck. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Got nice seats, nice. Oh, you can see this? That's new. Yeah, man, that's what it looks like. It's a Ford, you know what I'm saying? That's all y'all can get. It's a Ford. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a Ford. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a Ford truck. You know what I'm saying? I got a little mini truck up there. Got my little Jordans up here, you know what I'm saying? My little nephew Jordans, you know, you gotta have the little shoes up there, you feel me? Got the nice interior. This truck got some nice tints on it too. Nice back seats. I'm very happy with this truck. And this truck has like an extended cab. You could pull this knob right here, and it opens up to the whole back seat. So I got a full-fledged back seat and front seat. So I'm gonna make them trips down to PSL to see my dog Tyon. Car shows, you know, your boy in the game. You know what I'm saying? And then you got the dual exhaust pipes right there. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? That's what I like about that. Like when I'm like driving, you be able to hear it. It's like really loud. It's like really loud. I'll start it up for y'all so y'all can see how loud it is and see exactly how the exhaust works, because it's very loud. It's almost like a race car. Here's the other side. Nice little back door and everything. Nice little back seats. Nice little full cabin in there for me. You feel me? And the cool part is with these right here, these are like their own doors. They might not have their own door individually, but they have knobs that work. Like this window here goes down. That window there goes down. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. Here. You need to start it up too? I'll start it up for y'all. Hold on. Start it up for y'all. I'm gonna try to hear this thing. Like it's like a spaceship. You know? And I'm like so happy. Feel me? Start this thing up. Back on, we gotta get that fixed. It wasn't on earlier. So, the 12 phase keep turning on. Chrome wheels, nice little door panels, cold AC. This is just, you know, an amazing scoop. I'm so glad to have it. You know, thanks to my mom for making this possible. I wouldn't be able to do this without you. And, you know, hopefully make a lot of good content and memories. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next video.